Hi guys, it's me, and today we're exploring a display that steps far outside the category of everyday monitors. This isn't made for gaming setups or simple office use. This is a screen engineered to take on environments where bright sunlight, dust, water, and extreme usage are part of the daily routine. The Beetronics 27-inch high-brightness touchscreen monitor is a specialized tool built for professional and industrial tasks. And what makes it interesting is how confidently it handles conditions that would destroy normal displays. Right away, the brightness becomes the main highlight. Most monitors drop in visibility the moment strong light hits them, but here the clarity stays intact even under direct sun. The high-brightness panel delivers strong contrast, clean text, and vibrant color that remains readable no matter where it's installed. It's designed for reliability outdoors and in high-glare areas, and this is something you instantly notice. The touchscreen feels refined, but not in a consumer gadget way. Instead, it's optimized for real work. It reacts well to quick taps, swipes, and even glove interactions, which is important for people who work in labs, production floors, kitchens, or outdoor stations. The touch input feels consistent, fast, and accurate across the whole surface, giving it a level of trustworthiness needed in industrial environments. Durability is where the design truly stands out. The IP66 rating means this monitor can take on dust, heavy moisture, splashes, outdoor exposure, and general rough environments without failing. The structure feels reinforced, the edges sealed, and the weight balanced in a way that conveys long-term endurance. This is a device meant to be used without worrying about accidental spills, weather changes, or exposure to dirt. Connectivity keeps it adaptable to multiple system types. Whether you use PC, Mac, Linux, or industrial controllers, the ports allow easy integration. HDMI and VGA give compatibility, USB handles touch communication, and the setup process is simple and efficient. It fits well into modern systems but still remains friendly to legacy equipment often found in industrial operations. Mounting flexibility is impressive. You can put it on walls, embed it into panels, attach it to arms, or use it in enclosures. This makes it suitable for outdoor kiosks, vehicle installations, restaurant order screens, warehouse stations, production control units, and marine dashboards. The hardware feels ready for a wide range of applications. Image quality remains stable, which is important for long work hours. Full HD resolution gives enough detail without overwhelming the hardware, and the screen coating keeps reflections under control. Even though it's incredibly bright, it still holds consistent performance without flicker or brightness shifts. It manages heat well, stays energy efficient, and continues functioning smoothly during prolonged usage. This is not a display made for typical entertainment or home use. It's engineered as a tool, a reliable part of an ecosystem where performance matters more than aesthetics. But despite that industrial intention, it still delivers a clean, polished viewing experience that feels premium in its own way. There's a sense of confidence when using it, knowing it's built to last without needing gentle handling. For people who need visibility outdoors, stability in harsh environments, and responsive touch performance, this monitor fits those needs precisely. It's dependable, rugged, adaptable, and designed for constant operation. Places like workshops, control rooms, outdoor stations, factories, and commercial setups benefit the most from something built at this level. It's the kind of display that works where others don't. If you want to buy this Beetronics 27-inch high-brightness touchscreen monitor, the link is provided in the description. This display is built for demanding spaces and professional environments, and if durability and sunlight readability are important to your workflow, this model delivers excellent value.